Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ebonystyle. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome, and for my newly subscribers, you're welcome also. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I ventilate systems to closure. So now I'm just trying to show you the weave one I'm going to use in this video. Like a client want to make a wig, and she told me to ventilate closure for her. So I got this net from the market for 500 naira. Yeah, some people will sell it for you 700, some people will sell it for 1000, but I got this 500 naira at the market. So now this net is too long for me to ventilate, so I just have to cut I have to cut some, like I cut 4 inch away from the I cut 3 inch away from the net, like the way you see. I measure 5 and then I cut the remaining 3 away from the net. So I'll be using the 5, the one I measure 5 inch. Is the one I'm going to use to ventilate in this particular video. So in case you get weave on from your client and the client said she wants it done, she wants a closure done, so this video is actually for you, or you actually want to make a closure for yourself. So this video is also for you guys. So this is when I've pinned the net down on my mannequin head. So some people most time put a lighter this thing under this mannequin hair, maybe like nylon, red nylon, green nylon, black nylon, so that they can see the holes very well. But me, I can actually see the hole without using this without putting anything under the net. So now I've ventilated half of the net. That's what I'm showing you on this that's what I'm showing you now. So I ventilate half of it, like I ventilate it off video, and now I'm almost done ventilating it. So now I'm just trying to tell you how I ventilate it. I ventilate half part to the right side and the left side to the, and another half to the left side, like half to the left side, half to the right side. So now I'm just going to show you exact way I did it. So I cut a little piece out from the weave on, and then I'm going to just cut the tip of the weave on, like the way you are seeing it on the screen now. So I'm going to cut the way I'm going to tip that the outside, the tip of the weave on, where you are going to sew to the cap. So I cut that tip out, and then I use comb to comb the excess hair. There are some small hairs, like short hairs, always add to the tip of the hair, so I comb it away. Now I'm going to bend this, just see the way I bend this hair, like this. Like I'm just the tip side, I just bend a little part of the tip side. I did not bend it into half, I bent it a little, like 2 inch, just 2 inch at the tip, at the tip. Yes, so I just bent it not to the half side. So then just see the way I ventilate it. So I dip the pin, like the ventilating pin, inside the net, and then I use the pin to draw the air inside, and then I will knot the air. Just continue looking at it and you're going to get the exact way I did this. Thanks for watching. For my returning subscribers, once again, I love you guys. Yes, I've not been online for some months now. I was very busy, and that was why I have not been uploading videos. But I'm back, but I'm not really back fully, but I'll soon be back fully to give you guys the best and to give you guys what you really want to see. So thank you for watching. Thank you for my subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for the massive subscription. Yes, to me it's massive. You can be thinking that how many subscribers do I have? For me it's massive. For me not to upload and still get subscribers is something to me. Yes, it means a lot to me. So thank you guys for watching, and if you're watching my video and not subscribe, please do well and subscribe to my videos, because I'll be dropping like light, like interesting, like teachable, like understanding video for you guys. So please do it and subscribe. And in case you have friends too that also want to learn how to ventilate a closure, ventilate a frontal and all, you can forward this video to them. Please share, make sure you share, please like and subscribe to my video. So this is when I'm almost done with the ventilating. So guys, I'll be leaving, just before I want to leave 3 lines, but I can see that the 3 lines are just wide, so I left just 2 lines for the center part, and I left 2 lines, not 3. So just keep watching. You see the way I ventilate this particular closure. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, this is when I was done with the ventilating. You can see how beautiful it was out to be. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping the test video for you guys, trust me. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.